Miss Watson, and this is my player. And math is fun. Let's learn.
Pennies and dimes. So, how much money is there? We have 5, which is a nickel, 10, which is a dime, and then 3 pennies, which is 3 cents. So we got 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have 18 cents. Okay, how much money is there here? We got a 5 and 4 pennies. So that is 1 nickel and 4 pennies, which is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9 cents. Okay. How much money is there here? Let's count. These are all pennies, so we just need to count by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 cents. How much money is there here? Okay, you have a dime and a penny. So a dime is 10 cents. And a penny is 1 cent. So 10 plus 1 is what? 11 cents. Good job, if that's what you said. All right, I want you to pause the video if I'm going too fast. If you need time to count the money, but try to count this one all by yourself. Try to look at each coin and see if you can figure out how much each coin is worth and which answer is the best. Is it 7 cents, 8 cents, or 12 cents? Okay, if you said 7 cents, you're correct because the nickel is worth 5 cents and the pennies are worth 1 cent. So you just add 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, good job. Okay, how much money is there here? You have a dime and 3 pennies. So that's 10 plus 3. 13. Okay, pause the video right here. I want you to try to solve this one on your own. This one is not multiple choice, so you have to come up with the answer by yourself. I will give you a hint. The first one is worth 10. It's worth 10 cents. Pause the video and take your time. If you have to write down an equation, then you can do that also. Okay, 10. And then I'm going to skip to this nickel because it's worth 5 cents. And I'm going to say 10, 15, 16, 17 because the pennies are worth 1. So I have 17 cents. Okay, how much money is there here? Oh, this one is easy. Pause the video and see if you can figure this one out. This one is an easy one. Okay, if you said 5, 10, 15, and then you just added 1, then you're correct. It's 16 because 15 plus 1 is 16. How much money is there here? This one is pretty simple too. Pause the video and see if you can figure out the correct answer and see if you can write it down or just put it in your head. Okay, if you started off saying 10, 20, 21, 22, then you are correct. That's your thinking that you should have had. You should have counted by 10s first and then by 1s. Okay, how much money is there here? This one is another easy one because you can count by a certain number. I'm not going to tell you, but please pause the video and try to solve this one on your own. Give it a go. Okay, if you started off by saying 5, 10, 15, and then you went to the pennies and said 16, 17, 18, then you are correct. Now, the one thing I want you to know is don't start with counting the pennies first. Start with counting the highest coin first, the highest amount of coin first, or the highest value coin first. How much money is there here? I'm going to start with counting the nickels, which are worth 5 cents, and I'm going to say 5, 10, 15, 20, 21. Okay, 21. See how I did that right there? How much money is there here? I'm going to start with counting the 10. So I'm going to say 10. I'm going to go to the nickel or counting the dime. Sorry, I called it a 10, but it's a dime, but it's worth 10. So I'm going to say 10, Count the nickel. That's 15. Count the penny, worth 1, would make what? 16. Correct. All right. How much money is there here? Okay, see if you can figure this one out all by yourself really fast, because this one is quick and easy. If you said 10, 11, you are correct. Start off with that dime and count the penny. Okay, how much is there here? Here we have a dime, 2 dimes, 1 nickel, and 4 pennies. So I'm going to start with the dimes first because they're worth the most. I'm going to say 10, 20, skip over to the nickel, that's 25. Then I'm going to go 26, 27, 28, 29. So I'm going to give that one 29 cents. Okay, how much money is there? Start with the dime. So you're going to start at 10. And then we're going to go 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, so we got 25 here. See how simple that is? All right. How much money is there here? This is simple. Try to figure this one out all by yourself. Please pause this video and try to count these one all by yourself. Okay, if you said 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, then you're correct. And even if you counted by ones, that's okay. But as long as you got 9 for your answer, then you're good to go. Okay, how much money is there here? We have 2 nickels and 1 dime and 2 pennies. So which one do I want to start counting with? Which one do you think that I want to start counting with? If you said the dime, you're correct. I would like to start counting with the dime here. So I'm going to say 10, and then I'm going to go to the nickels and say 15, 20, then get to the pennies and say 21, 22 because they're worth 1 cent a piece. 22. Yes, and I'm correct. I got 87%. Watch out for me now. Okay, how much money is there here? You better know this one. You better know this one. Yes, 2 cents. Okay, we got 2 more to go. How much money is there here? Oh, you better know this one again. 4 cents, and don't take too long with that one. Excellent. We enter in the challenge zone. This is our last one right here. How much money is there? Okay. Try to pause it. Try to do this one all by yourself without my help. Okay. I'm going to start with the dime. I'm going to say 10. I'm going to go to the 5. I'm going to say 15. Then when I get to the pennies, I'm going to start counting by ones. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If you got 20, then you are correct. All right. Good job. Y'all already know what time it is. It's Jump Watson. And I'm blocking him, jumping up. Y'all see how I denied him? Yeah. Now check this out. Gave Blake a nice little pass for the dunk. Blake Griffin on the buck.